Asapa,
Bitiopa.
oh, the way a lawyer is struggling, so between another Dr. Bawumia, Abu Rankomono. Simply put, a kettle, I catch the pot, say it to him. Now he's calling Adu, Dr. Bawumia, when your MPP headquarters, what you have Shimbi. The whole thing, and they say, Yakasay. So Bibu be the din commodity. As a Bametia, I am a better anyway. Me pay free from what the fact say will be any say. Me bow studio have me no din commo, chia me chia, chicken commo. Me piano me sia abayabu and which I Germanu. Asempa, as a body CJ, the Zamia, my boys in the over. I dare one more Adom. O me mama promote two business now, my minister, I only how cry. Casa from Obibo be din. I want to come with doesn't implicate ni payaboni dino. And he's a lawyer, he's supposed to know better. Say, me, my minute, I mean, or me, I be a basho sweet. Let me pin me say chumbery my what's some about the pebe I 2000 be my lawyer, there's a minute and a better set so. Asampa, it you don't know Emma lawyer so like implicated. No, the fact of the matter, and they say, there were 3 names that were mentioned. The supposed expose in Manameboa. One, apart from Yenu Bema, Adu Boahene, Dr. Bawumia din, I allege say, was here the man Dr. Bawumia. They went further to engage Gideon Boaku. Gideon Boaku, any interview or Ekusi saying. Gideon Boaku said, the vice president, you dare not, because he doesn't entertain those things. Then there was another chief, Bia. Expose na no anas accept on the Facebook wall. As a bone they say, then they engage another chief. Be say, if possible, the chief can also influence Dr. Bawumia, the president. Also, for these 2 men, I cannot guarantee. Me to me and Shamo Bossa met me influence him because it's not easy. But I'll try and do my best. It's a clear indication. Say indeed, Dr. Bawumia and another Dankwa Kufuor, they are not incorruptible. You see, people have tried. You will try and try and try, but Dr. Bawumia, the integrity is something he will never joke with it. And that is how come out in the said expose na Dr. Bawumia was vindicated because Ukai announced na statement now. It was a clear indication that Dr. Bawumia nyobia or entertain this animal. And it is in the public knowledge. Say Dr. Bawumia our presidential ambition. So what is wrong with that? It is obi kosia obi no kodwana numa. And you see, when that statement came out, where the speed Dr. Bawumia ebe body di huma ebe tro yi ni hu free mu. Empo equally for the summary dismissal of Adu Boahene based on say if indeed the allegation peddled against him no is true there, then the position as a minister is untenable. And for that matter, we're calling for summary dismissal and also to subject him to investigation.
But was it not a rash decision? Because Afena Bibi by Nyambai.
That be rash.
Terminating appointment.
But before that, the president terminated the appointment based on President Kanyama Minu. Eugene Ahin Eletene Bayeno. Was say the president is exposed to the content of the said video. And the president has further engaged the minister, the said minister. And it was on the basis of the conversation in a regional so they second. And you see, Nanado has shown leadership here. Assembly by and president, there's a friend on Koma a course. This is the first time in the history of our politics. A baby the minister based on allegation. All my Ghana for the reason I was sacking the panel.
Yeah.